to my channel. This is Pashvika. Welcome to Globo Arte Mixing Page channel where we make content for artists and creative entrepreneur. In today's video guys, we're going to be talking about one of the most important things that also happened with me, and I feel like it's happening with time and time to other people as well. So I'm going to be talking about that. My account has been suspended. Now what? This is the most common question that I've been getting because I see that Redbubble has been shutting down the various accounts. There could be the multiple different ways, reasons why this is happening. So probably I'm gonna be covering some reasons and what you could do if your Redbubble account has been suspended too, because it happened to me as well. So let's get started with that. Before we go to part, consider clicking the like button guys, I really appreciate that. And if you want more such video, consider subscribing, hit the bell icon because we upload daily videos. So you'll be get notified about it when we do so. And also we have a bunch of the free resources for you guys to help you make your print-on-demand journey easy and simpler. The link are in the description box below, or simply head over to globocreative.com. Check out all the freebies that we have. Make sure to check it out each month because we'll be adding each month and it contains a full commercial license, so you can use it. Now let's talk about my Redbubble account has been suspended. Now what? I feel and I can relate to this question so well because my Redbubble account has been suspended as well. I have made like few of the videos you can check in the card section above. I'm gonna leave them there. I've been talking a lot about, and yeah, it happened to me. My Redbubble account has been suspended and I tried to get it back, but I didn't get it back. To get your account back, or even if you're not getting it, what you can do differently to even still making money from your print-on-demand business. Now, first thing I'm going to be talking about the reasons why it could be happening, and then I'm going to be talking about what you could do differently, or what you could do, the important measures to make more money or to still make money from your print-on-demand business. Let's talk about the reason. The first reason that I see probably why this account suspended is like infringement of the copyright and trademark issue. This is the most common thing because if you go into the Redbubble trends, onto the Bubble trends or the different trends website, there are a bunch of the trends websites out there. You can check it out. But some of the on this Redbubble trends website, there are the keywords or there are the niches that are copyright and trademark. So if you are uploading a design related to copyright trademark, you might get your account suspended. Although there are so many shops already selling the copyright trademark products onto the Redbubble, their account haven't been suspended. I don't know why it's so, but this could be the leading reason of your account getting shut down or banned. So that is the first reason. The second reason is that misleading the platform. Now this could be in the various variety of the ways. Either you are spamming the tags, or either you are spoiling the artworks or stealing the other people artworks or the other artist artwork. So there could be the various reasons that you're misleading your platform. You're not going by the rules. Still many shops that are stealing other people's artwork and still selling well onto the Redbubble, but I can't say anything. It's just so much controversial topic because some people might get their accounts suspended or banned because of this. Other people don't get it. I don't know why is that so. Why they do suspend the accounts of other people and other people are still running. I really don't know why is that so. So these are the few reasons. Apart from that, I'm gonna also be covering another reason that happened to me. I wasn't using any copyright trademark design. I didn't steal anyone's work. I didn't mislead the platform. I was following the every rules of the Redbubble, and still my Redbubble account has been suspended without any reason because I uploaded a design, like I uploaded 5 designs on that day. If I could remember, that was I guess in the November or December. I don't really remember the date. And even the month because I just move on from it. So I just uploaded the 5 to 10 design related to what I used to upload. That's the textures and patterns or even the sticker based designs, and instantly I get an email saying that my Redbubble account has suspended. And I was like shocked. I tried to send them in a bunch of the emails, message them on the Twitter, and try to do all those stuff all the internet people are saying to do to get your account back. But nothing ever happened. Like Redbubble just sent me a message onto the Twitter. When I sent them a message, they replied to me saying that they are working on it. I'm gonna get my account back soon. But nothing ever happened because it's been like 7 to 8 months now and I didn't get my account back. And my shop is still active onto the Redbubble. Why is that so? Because I have linked the Google Analytics to my Redbubble account, and I monthly get the emails from the Google Analytics saying that I get this many viewers, this many visitors on my Redbubble shop. So that clearly indicates that my Redbubble shop is still active onto the Redbubble, but my account has been suspended, so I can no longer access my shop. And when someone is purchasing from my shop, I'm not getting anything from it. So I can say this is really, really bad. This is honestly so bad if they are doing it intentionally, or I don't know what is that. So but this is honestly bad because I was having like thousands of designs onto the Redbubble, and some of them were really selling well, and I still see that many people are going onto my Redbubble shop from according to the Google Analytics, and they are purchasing something from my shop, but I'm not getting anything out of it. So my shop is still active, but I'm out of the account. So why is this happening? I really don't know. That's why I no longer trust the Redbubble. That's the reality. And I'm just saying the reality. That doesn't mean that Redbubble is bad or something like that. It's just based on my own personal experience. I'm saying that. Now, these are the few reasons. Now, what could you do to get your account back? Or maybe what could you do once your Redbubble account has been suspended? Contact them, email them, message them, and do back and forth stuff with the Redbubble. Try to get your account back. If you get it, amazing. If you don't get it, then I also see that few of the people contacted the different hackers. I don't know that whether you get your account by that route or not, whether it's legal or whether it's illegal, I don't know, but I feel like some people have did that. I don't recommend doing it, but I don't know if it works or not. But have you ever tried it? And if it really works, let me know in the comment section below, but I don't know if it works or not. So I won't recommend to go with the hackers and try to give your shop link to them and try to hack your shop and do all those stuff. I'm not recommending because I don't know if it's legal or it's illegal. Okay, guys. Now, the other thing could you do that if you're not getting your account back, just move on. Of course, it's not easy if your shop is getting you good sales each month. You can't do anything. That's why I talk about the multiple platform strategy, building up your portfolio of print-on-demand designs of at least 3 to 4 different platforms, so that one goes out of the corner, you're still getting the income from the rest of the 3. Okay, so that's what I talk about that. So start with the multi-platform strategy. This one, the biggest thing that you could do. The second thing I would recommend that all these are third-party platforms. Remember that, guys, all these are third-party platforms. If we need to sell on their platform, we need to follow their rules. We need to follow the rules of the game of selling on their platform. If we are not following those rules, then obviously we are out of that platform. And yeah, so you need to follow the rules. This is the second thing to keep in mind, that these are all the third-party websites. If you want to control your business, if you want to really make a serious amount of money from your print-on-demand business, so that's why I recommend you to have your own website to make some serious amount of money from your print-on-demand shop connected with your own website. Either make your website on the Weebly, Wix, Shopify, WordPress, whatever website builder you want to go with that. Connect with the Printful, Printify Good, and start selling the print-on-demand products on your own website. This is the number one thing I would recommend if you really want to make some serious amount of money and you want to have full control over your website, because no one can compete with you. No one can remove you because it's your website. You have the full control. Of course, you need to do the marketing stuff and all, but probably I think it's worth the time and effort, and you could actually make a business or a brand out of it. You can create your own brand on your own website related to any specific theme, hobby, or whatever it is, and then you can make a good amount of money, actually a serious amount of money, and in the future a full-time income from your print-on-demand business. So that's a thing I would really recommend. But if you don't want to go with the marketing stuff, if you don't want to go with making this website and connecting with these Printful, Printify, and Good, then probably approach the multiple platform strategy, guys. It will really going to help you. At least have your print-on-demand designs on 3 to 4 platforms. Check out the Teepublic, Jazzle, Cafe Press, Spreadshirt designed by humans. You can even sell on the Etsy. Check out all these platforms and start selling your work on 3 to 4 platforms at least, so that even one goes out of the corner, you are in control. So these are the things that I could tell you to do if your account has been suspended, because the same thing I did. Once my Redbubble account has been suspended, I started building and focusing on my other print-on-demand websites where I can make, like I started with the Teepublic, then the Jazzle. Recently I started with the Society 6, Displayed, and also on the Spreadshirt. Then I'm gonna be also covering the Cafe Press, the Contrado, Threadless. There are a bunch of the different websites you can hold on and you can start selling. Or if you really want to make serious money, then probably going with making your own website connected with the Printful, Printify Good is the best thing that you could ever do. And if you want to know how to do the marketing, I could help you with that, guys, because I started with my own magazine back in the March of 2020, and I was completely newbie to the marketing, to the business world. I was not at all having any experience in the business because I'm not at all from this background. I'm from a medical background, so I don't have any experience in that. So I learned along the way. It's just the first year, but still I know some aspects of the marketing which are working well for my own business, and probably I can help you doing that. Please let me know in the comment section below if you know how to do that. I would really make more videos talking about that, how to do the marketing, how to do the promotion, some of the paid ads, some of the free ads, some of the different strategies, going with third-party websites and all those things. Do let me in the comment section below. But that's it for today's video, guys. I hope I have answered this question: what to do if my Redbubble account has been suspended? What could I do to still make money from my print-on-demand business? Thank you so much for tuning in today's video, guys. See you for the next time. Take care. Bye, guys.